If you like pina coladas, making up words to songs, then you might be okay in my book, just as long as we get on. It's cocktail time. I just changed tunes there. Like I don't even know how that works. We are making a pina colada today because it's still summer, and we're gonna hang on to those tiki-ish type things. And my wife likes pineapple, so that's what we're gonna do. There's plenty of pina colada recipes online, and all of them are a little different. So if you like more pineapple juice than I like pineapple juice, put more pineapple juice in your pina colada. If you like, I like a lot more coconut in there, Tom, or I want it sweeter, put more of your coconut syrup in there. Do whatever you want to do. If you want a heartier drink, put some of that Kraken in there instead of a white rum. It's your cocktail. Make it for you. I'm making this for me. So we're going to start with, we got rum, coconut, a little bit of lime, some pineapple. I'm going to start with 2 ounces. I don't have a jigger. If you forget your jigger on your own cocktail show, then you're kind of an idiot. But, here we go. So 2 ounces of brand new white rum. It's going to glug. It's glugging. I just pour it all over the place. An ounce and a half of pineapple juice. This is where some people I lost. They're like, wait, an ounce and a half? I need more pineapple than that, Tom. 3 ounces at least. But, I like what I like. Oh my God, I can't do it. I'm so dumb. Okay, let's do this. So we got an ounce and a half of pineapple juice. But I'm also going to do an ounce and a half of this coconut cream. If you have Coco Lopez, that's the standard. But this Simply Squeezed Coco Rio isn't so bad. Ounce and a half. Probably should have done that first again because, syrups like to stick to stuff. Pop. And then we're going to do half an ounce of lime. And not all cocktail recipes for this include lime, but I really like the lime. The strainer's in the trash, and I don't have my juicer. I'm just not ready today. Can we start all over? It's cocktail time, and we're making pina coladas, and we need a half an ounce of lime juice. So we're going to do that in the little limey juicy thingy here. Okay, so half an ounce of lime juice. Half an ounce of lime. Ba-da-da. So we got our 2 ounces, 1.5, 1.5, half, and now we're going to shake it over ice. Let's put these big old chunks of ice I have in here. In here. There we go. And this we're just going to be all fancy. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually serve this over crushed ice. So we're going to put some crushed ice in here. This is my new crushed ice bag for crushed ice. I'll put some in the glass already. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to pour this into our glass, like so. And then we're going to top it off with more crushed ice. There we go. Awesome. You could garnish it with a lime wedge if you want. I'm not going to do that. I think a pineapple would be more apt, and I didn't want to buy a pineapple. I don't have any money. So let's try our pina colada. If you would like to buy me a pineapple, I will use it. Yeah, I like, it's a pina colada. I mean, it's not like it's like a complicated drink, but it's exactly what you want. It is sweet, it's pineapple-y, it's coconutty. It is, I'm laying at the side of the pool or I'm laying at the beach and I just sit back and enjoy rum and sugar and the sun, which is something I don't actually do because I'm a vampire. But I do like the beach when it's not super hot. So you might find me there in the fall or the spring. But yeah, this pina colada recipe, I highly recommend it if you like drinks. And have fun with it. And I will see you next week. You know the thing with the clicky and the subscribe-y thingy and the YouTube thing? Yeah, that one. Please?